Hey paddle bosses, we want to show you what Xavier and I do for our pre-match warm-up routine. So you can do this when you're just playing rec play. It's good to be able to warm up a little bit before you actually start playing. But a lot of times we go out to the court and we see people just kind of do a few dinks and then they're like, it's ready to play. That's okay, but like, you want to be able to get yourself ready in every one of the shots and do it quickly and efficiently, especially if you're in a tournament. If you're in a tournament, from the time that they call your name to the time that you play your first point, they usually only give you 5 minutes. You want to be able to get to your court and efficiently get through the different shots, some practice so that both partners are warm before you actually have to play. So this is what it looks like. We're going to start off with some dinks. If we have an opportunity to go cross court, that's fine, but a lot of times when you're in a match, the two different teams will be right across from each other. And unless you talk to them about that, you'll probably just be lined up against each other. So we're just doing dinks like this, making sure our touch is soft. Again, grip pressure is going to be like a 4 out of 10 on these soft shots. And then once we kind of get through that and we feel comfortable with our dinks, we're going to go to drop shots. So I'm going to come back to the baseline, and Xavier's going to try and challenge me a little bit. But I'm just going to try and hit drop shots just like this consistently. So we're trying to pretend that this is a real life game situation. If I drop it in there, he has the opportunity to hit hard at me. He's going to do that. Okay, then after we've done that, we're going to come in here and I'm going to get in the transition zone here, no man's land. And I'm going to let him kind of hit some hard balls at me, and I got to still drop these in the kitchen from this spot here. So I'm resetting the ball into the kitchen. This is going to happen a lot in your match, so you want to make sure that your hands are soft and you're able to reset these balls nice into the kitchen like that. After we've done that, we'll do the same thing, but I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go soft again. We're going to do that kind of tortoise hare thing where he hits it hard at me and I hit it soft at him. And then after we've done that for a little bit, we're going to do volleys back and forth just to get our feet moving and our paddle in the right spot, trying to keep things between 10 and 2. We'll start off cooperative, kind of like this, and then we'll speed it up. Just get our hands fast. Doesn't need to be 100%. We're just moving our paddle around, trying not to pop the ball up. We're trying to kind of hit it at least at their torso, if not in the downward position. Oh. And then that's going to take up a few minutes. We'll kind of finish off by doing serves. So you kind of ask, especially if you're in a tournament, you'll ask your opponents, hey, can we do serves? They'll say yeah. That way you can go cross court with it. And you'll just practice your serve. Just make sure each partner gets, I don't know, 3 to 5 serves. That way you're not cold on your very first serve. If you get the coin toss and you start serving, you don't want to be cold and hit your first serve into the net. So just get that motion ready. Make sure each partner gets to do 3 or 5. And that's kind of how our pre-warm-up routine goes. It's really quick, but you want to go through all the different shots that you're going to be hitting consistently in your match. You want to make sure that you're just kind of warmed up with those. So that's what the pre-match warm-up routine looks like. Let me ask you a question. If I had a way to show you in 4 days a step-by-step process that'll take you to a 4.0 skill level or higher, would you be interested? Well, you're in luck, because we've created a simple system that'll help you not only reach a 4.0 skill level or higher, but will also help you make less errors, attract better partners, and have more fun playing pickleball. Because let's be honest, playing at a higher level and being the best player you can be is more fun. 4 days to 4.0 is all about giving you a simple framework for the game of pickleball so that you know how to hit the right shot and be in the right spot almost without thinking. It's all about giving you the ability to compete against higher skilled players without feeling uncomfortable or inferior. And it's all about helping you reduce the frustration that comes along with unforced errors so that you can have more fun and compete at a higher level.
Just click the button below this video and it will take you to our checkout page where the discounted price is already factored in. When you check out, you'll get instant access to all the training inside 4 days to 4.0, the Paddle Grip Masterclass, the Spin Boss Workshop, the Gold Medal Drills, and the cheat sheet.